So today we back again with some more AI tools, and today I'm gonna be seeing if AI can make some lit cover arts for my beats. So let's get into it.
Skxppy.
Take forever.
So the website that we're gonna be using to make the images for our cover art is gonna be called Deep Dream Generator. I actually found this off of ChatGPT. This what Deep Dream looks like. Basically, you come here and they're gonna show you like a bunch of things that they made. This is actually very realistic. So this is the latest stuff that was created or whatever. You know, nobody really care about that. But what you can do is you can click generate up here and it'll take you to this after you make an account. So you gotta make an account. What you're gonna want to do is type in stuff here. You feel me? And then you go down here, you could filter it, how you want to filter it, get a nice style that you want, and then you can generate it, alright? It's kind of lit. Before we do that, we're gonna find a beat. I just made a bunch of beats yesterday. Well, not made, but like finished. I always make stuff, and then like a month later, finish everything. And let's listen to a couple to see which ones we actually want to turn into the thing. Not that one. Nah, not that one either. Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to be showing that shit. Oh, I'm gonna choose this one, by the way. So word, we got a little. It's not too sad. So I would say like dark. A dark, inspiring, melancholic. Let's see what that'll give me. Or a dark, inspiring, melancholic. I feel like I'm not describing it well. You feel me? I might give it another take. By the way, you see my credits going down, bro? They trying to take my money, boy. Not really, right? Nah, not really, y'all. It's not hitting what it's hitting for. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I feel like I messed up last time with the description. Alright, so when I listen to it, I see like a dark, like sad dummy. That's what I feel. Like a sad, you know what I'm saying? It's cooking up. Yes. Let's see. Okay, this kind of fire. I'm not gonna just kind of fire. Hold on. Yo, it look like, you know what it look like? Hold on, you know what it look like? But yeah, it reminds me of the A Boogie Me Versus Myself album. But I like this because it's like, yo, you could see like it's just him walking. He got his back turned. You feel me? The trees is coming in, the road is windy. Oh, this got a story behind it. Heard you. Alright, cool. So basically, I'm going to actually make a actual cover art because like that's cool. The image that I got from the first one was cool. Hold on, where is that dude? QTI, where is that dude? Alright, so boom, I'm gonna be turning this into actual cover art. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna control the contrast. I always control the contrast first just because I feel like contrast really like sets you up for what you want. Every great cover art needs this, you feel me? Hold on. Every album cover needs this, bro. Every album cover needs the parental advisory, explicit content warning. Oh shit. This is what I got now. Basically, all I did was, what did I do? Oh, I dropped over like a foreground picture to kind of make it look like an effect, which is look like some ice. If you see right here, this little blue icon, it's just some ice or frost. I think that was it. I did this shit, but I didn't like it, so I took it off. So yeah, like this the album cover, look hard, look clean, look crispy. AI, chill out, man. Alright, I need a job and you trying to take it. Relax. If you like, leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow, you feel me? And don't freeload, subscribe. Listen, I made this video today just because I wanted y'all to see how much AI has to offer for music producers. It's not just about the music, it's about the things before and behind the music. You feel me? It might seem a little scary at first because you're not used to it, but it's useful. Word. So go explore the music producer world. It's bigger than you think. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Peace.